Are you tired of managing diabetes with endless medications? What if you could take control and reverse it permanently? In this video, we're diving into the science behind reversing diabetes and exploring actionable steps that can change your life. Imagine a future where you don't need to worry about your blood sugar levels constantly, and you can enjoy your favorite foods without fear. Stay tuned to uncover expert advice on how to make this a reality. If you're ready to take charge of your health, hit that subscribe button, comment your thoughts, and share this with someone who needs it. Step 1. The power of diet. If you've been living with diabetes, you may already know how important diet is in managing blood sugar levels. But did you know that you can actually reverse diabetes by eating the right foods? By focusing on a balanced diet with the right nutrients, you can significantly improve your blood sugar control and even reduce your reliance on medication. The first step is incorporating more fiber-rich foods into your meals. Vegetables, fruits, whole grains, and legumes are great sources of fiber. Not only do they help you feel full longer, but fiber also slows down the absorption of sugar into your bloodstream, preventing those blood sugar spikes that can occur after eating. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and spinach, and fruits like berries, are some of the best options. Healthy fat should also be a staple in your diet. Avocados, olive oil, nuts, and seeds provide monounsaturated fats that can help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Omega-3 fatty acids found in fish like salmon or flax seeds are also excellent for heart health, which is particularly important for people with diabetes. Lean proteins, such as chicken, turkey, tofu, and legumes, are another crucial part of a diabetes-reversing diet. They help to stabilize blood sugar and provide long-lasting energy. Pairing proteins with high-fiber foods can further enhance their blood sugar balancing effects. It's also essential to avoid processed and sugary foods that can cause blood sugar spikes. Limit your intake of white bread, pasta, and sugary snacks. Instead, opt for whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread, which have a lower glycemic index and won't spike your blood sugar as much. Finally, don't forget the importance of hydration. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps flush out excess sugar from your system and keeps you feeling energized. By making these dietary changes, you're not just managing your diabetes, you're giving your body the tools it needs to reverse the condition. It may take time and effort, but with consistency, you'll start noticing improvements in your blood sugar levels and overall health. Step 2. The role of exercise. When it comes to reversing diabetes, regular physical activity is just as important as what you eat. Exercise can help lower blood sugar levels, reduce insulin resistance, and maintain a healthy weight. The good news is that you don't have to do intense workouts to reap these benefits. In fact, gentle exercises, perfect for seniors, can have a profound impact on your diabetes journey. Walking is one of the simplest and most effective exercises. Just 30 minutes of brisk walking each day can help lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. If you're new to exercise, start slow and gradually increase your walking duration. You'll be amazed at how much better you'll feel after a short walk around your neighborhood or even inside your home. Yoga is another excellent form of exercise, especially for those who may have joint issues or mobility concerns. It improves flexibility, reduces stress, and enhances circulation, all of which help in blood sugar regulation. Many senior yoga classes focus on gentle movements that are easy on the body, making it a perfect choice for anyone looking to stay active without overexertion. Strength training, too, plays a crucial role in managing diabetes. Building muscle helps your body use insulin more efficiently. You don't need a gym membership to get started. Light dumbbells, resistance bands, or even bodyweight exercises like squats and lunges can be done at home. Strength training 2 to 3 times a week will help you build muscle, boost metabolism, and improve blood sugar control. Another great exercise for seniors is swimming. It's a low-impact activity that's easy on the joints but highly effective in burning calories and boosting heart health. Swimming works almost every muscle in the body, making it a great full-body workout. No matter which type of exercise you choose, consistency is key. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate activity each week, spread throughout the week. Exercise will not only help you reverse diabetes but also improve your mood, boost energy levels, and enhance your overall quality of life. Step 3. Managing stress for better blood sugar control. Stress is a silent disruptor of blood sugar control. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline that can increase blood sugar levels. Over time, chronic stress can lead to poor blood sugar regulation and even contribute to the development of diabetes. But the good news is that stress management is something you can take control of, and it's an essential part of reversing diabetes. Start with deep breathing exercises. Taking just 5 minutes a few times a day to focus on your breath can help lower stress levels and, in turn, stabilize blood sugar. Deep breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system, the body's rest and digest response, which helps calm the body and lower cortisol levels. Meditation is another powerful tool for stress relief. It's been shown to reduce cortisol and help improve insulin sensitivity. You don't need to be a meditation expert to start. Begin with just 5 to 10 minutes a day of sitting quietly, focusing on your breath, and letting go of any tension. There are plenty of free apps and videos available that can guide you through simple meditation practices. Exercise, as mentioned earlier, is also an excellent stress buster. Physical activity not only helps with blood sugar control but also triggers the release of endorphins, your body's natural mood elevators. Whether it's a walk, yoga session, or swimming, moving your body helps reduce stress and improve overall well-being. Another stress-relieving activity to consider is journaling. Writing down your thoughts, feelings, and concerns can help release pent-up stress and provide clarity. Try to keep a daily gratitude journal, focusing on the positive aspects of your life. This simple habit can shift your mindset and reduce feelings of anxiety. Finally, don't forget the importance of social connections. Spending time with loved ones, friends, or a community group can provide emotional support and reduce feelings of isolation and stress. Whether it's a phone call, a coffee date, or a simple chat, nurturing your social relationships can help you manage stress and improve your diabetes management. By incorporating these stress management techniques into your daily routine, you'll not only improve your blood sugar levels but also enhance your overall health and well-being. Step 4. Importance of sleep. Sleep is often overlooked when it comes to managing diabetes, but the quality of your sleep is just as important as what you eat and how much you exercise. Poor sleep can interfere with your body's ability to regulate blood sugar levels and increase insulin resistance. On the other hand, good sleep can support weight management, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce inflammation. One of the most important factors in achieving good sleep is consistency. Going to bed and waking up at the same time every day helps regulate your body's internal clock and promotes better sleep quality. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night for optimal health. If you have trouble falling asleep, try setting a relaxing bedtime routine, like reading, listening to calming music, or taking a warm bath, to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. Avoiding stimulants like caffeine and nicotine in the evening can also improve sleep quality. These substances can interfere with your body's natural sleep cycle, making it harder to fall asleep and stay asleep. Another key to better sleep is creating a sleep-friendly environment. Make sure your bedroom is dark, quiet, and cool. Consider using blackout curtains, earplugs, or a white noise machine to block out any disruptive noises. A comfortable mattress and pillows that support your sleep posture are also crucial for getting restful sleep. If you find yourself waking up frequently during the night, it may be worth checking with your healthcare provider. Conditions like sleep apnea are common in people with diabetes and can severely disrupt your sleep. Treatment for sleep apnea can improve both your sleep quality and your blood sugar control. By prioritizing sleep, you'll be giving your body the chance to repair, rejuvenate, and manage blood sugar levels more effectively. A good night's sleep is a key pillar in the fight against diabetes. Step 5. Supplements and natural remedies for diabetes. While diet and exercise are the foundation of reversing diabetes, certain supplements and natural remedies can provide additional support in managing blood sugar levels. Always consult your healthcare provider before starting any new supplement, but here are some that have been shown to be particularly effective in supporting diabetes reversal. One of the most well-known supplements for blood sugar control is cinnamon. It has been shown to help improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. You can easily add cinnamon to your diet by sprinkling it on oatmeal, smoothies, or even coffee. Just a small amount each day can make a difference. Another powerful supplement is magnesium. Many people with diabetes have low levels of magnesium, which can negatively affect blood sugar control. Magnesium helps regulate insulin and may improve insulin sensitivity. Foods rich in magnesium include leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and legumes. Magnesium supplements are also available, but it's important to talk to your doctor before adding them to your routine. Alpha-lipoic acid, ALA, is an antioxidant that has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce symptoms of diabetic neuropathy, a common complication of diabetes. It can be found in foods like spinach and broccoli, but ALA supplements may also provide additional benefits. Berberine, a compound found in several plants, has gained attention for its ability to lower blood sugar levels. Research has shown that it can help improve insulin sensitivity and reduce the production of glucose in the liver. Berberine is available as a supplement, but it's important to take it under the guidance of a healthcare professional, as it can interact with certain medications. Finally, apple cider vinegar has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels after meals. Taking a small amount diluted in water before meals can be an effective way to support your diabetes management plan. Remember, while these supplements can be beneficial, they should complement, not replace, a healthy diet and lifestyle. Always check with your healthcare provider to ensure these natural remedies are safe for you. Conclusion: if you found even a small benefit from this video, we'd love to hear from you. Your feedback is invaluable not only to us but to others who may be going through the same journey. Whether it's a tip that helped you, a change you've noticed in your health, or a question you have, we encourage you to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your experience could be the inspiration someone else needs to start their own path toward reversing diabetes. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others who might benefit. Together, we can make a difference.